Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So I am going to show you how to create a snapshot for any EC2 instance or any EC2 instance EBS Volume and how we can encrypt it. So I have one EC2 instance as you can see, right? So here is the only one EC2 instance I have. So here is the instance side. So for creating a snapshot or encrypting it, so let me show you. Click on the snapshot here, elastic block store. Under that we have a snapshot option. So click on create a snapshot. We can create a volume, select a volume, this one, or you can select EC2 instance as well. Select your EC2 instance and you have to provide the instance ID. Okay, so let me create for volume only. So and you can give the description here if you want. So yeah, our snapshot got created. Okay, but here it's showing not encrypted, right? So how we can encrypt it? How we can encrypt it and make it more secure? So I will be showing you that also. So let it snapshot state is here available 39%. So just hold on for a minute. So let it came back. So I will be showing you like how to encrypt it. Yeah, so now it came 100%. Okay. So what we have to do here, we have to select here, click here and click on Action, create volume from snapshot. Okay, so we can increase the size, we can change the EBS type here, so we can change it as well. So I'm not going to change because I'm just showing you, and availability zone should be same. So you can't choose any other availability zone here. So I am my instance is in US East 1A. So I will be keeping this snapshot, creating this snapshot in US East 1A only, and later we can share with other availability zone and region as well. But so for now, for this creation purpose, we just have to select same ability zone. And here we are getting option like encrypt this volume, right? So select a key, KMS key. So we are going to select anyone, right? Yeah, here it is. So create one. So let it get created now. So here in the volume section we can see our snapshot got created and it's available here as well, and encryption is already changed. It's already encrypted now. Okay, so you can see here, right? The volume ID and IOPS, availability zone as well, and the encryption type. So it's already encrypted. Thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe my videos. I hope you are enjoying my video. I will be uploading more videos on AWS soon. So thanks. Have a nice day. Bye.